My name is Ismail Matundura, MCA from Yakumu Ward. This afternoon, our speaker has made a communication that he said that came from ODM coalition, debriefing me from the various committees that I sit. Currently, I am a chairman agriculture committee. I also sit in the budget committee as a member, and I do also sit in the appointment committee also as a member. You were in the assembly this afternoon when that communication was being made, and I want to say that it is purely witch hunt on what transpired here yesterday. As you are aware, there was a commotion here yesterday. You people were here. You saw police officers here. You saw some characters here, which some of us said that it were goons that were brought here to intimidate honorable members. It is true that yesterday we were collecting, some of the section we were collecting signatures for the removal of the said speaker, who happens to be the chairman of the service board. Underground that is, he cannot account for the funds that were set aside for the committee activities, assembly committee activities, which has hampered the running of day-to-day committee activities. Like now, our staff has not been paid for 6 months, their allowances, and this act has really demoralized them. Now they are not giving us service as they ought to. So when the chairperson is being asked all this through the committee of budget and the start of liaison, he has not accounted. So members felt that the only way these people we know they can listen is through impeachment. So that's why he has brought this communication that have been removed from serving the various committees that I sit, and they said that it is the ODM coalition that sat and arrived at that decision, where I am one of the members of ODM. We have never had any sitting since we were elected. Number two, I have not known my mistakes, so that I can be brought into a table and asked so that I can defend myself. This is a big witch hunt, and it is meant to scare other honorable members. And this one, I wanted to tell my honorable members that they be firm in matters legislation. We know our mandate. One of the mandates that we are being given as honorable members in legislation, oversight, and representation. What we are doing here when we are asking about the financial accountability, that is oversight. Now when we are being victimized because we ask when we are carrying our duties, that is intimidation. And I want to say that this is stop so that we can be given ample time to serve our people. Currently, I'm going to court to challenge that decision.